What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Ruth back at it again with another video. First of all, I just want to say like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about me, make my jumps go up, my numbers go up. Second, my nails are like, yeah, so don't judge me, you know. I'm also a little sick. The reason I haven't uploaded in a little minute, like 2 weeks, maybe this will be 2 weeks, it's because I've been sick. I decided I was gonna upload every week, but yeah, I got sick. Yeah. So today I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to do a little high puff, I guess. A puff, like a poof, a natural poof, right? But this is for like girls with like, I mean, I guess girls with longer hair could do it too. But this is like a little ratchet way, I guess you could say, quick way, you know. And my hair is like really short. I recently like cut it, like, yeah, and I'm probably gonna cut it again. But girl gotta get this damage out, you feel me? So the first way, we just gonna use a hard brush, make sure it's like kind of hard, you know, and use water. And the reason I said it was ratchet was because I use a shoestring, okay? Okay, so we'll get our shoestring. And if y'all hear screaming, I'm on going to daycare. They're in the other room. Okay, ready? Just go brush it around. All around. And I don't know if y'all saw, but my shoestring is kind of purple. Because my hair is purple, you can't really see it that well. But yeah. So, it's a little simple way. Bring the shoestring around your ears. And I'm just gonna tie it. Then move it up. Push up in the back. Make sure it's stable. And bring it around. Tie it. Let it slide up. Make sure your hair isn't stuck, you know. And then you're gonna tie it again in the back. And then we're gonna just tuck the shoestrings. Don't like try to pull it tight. So like it's not a lot of shoestring out. And if I look up, it's because it's a mirror right here. That's like one side. I'm not gonna do the other side, but yeah, because I'm about to take it out. But and then you're just gonna fluff it, you know, make it look bigger. Pull it around the shoestring so like you can't see the shoestring. This is what I do to my niece's hair as well. So yeah, if y'all know me, y'all see my niece out and you see a shoestring, it's because she been messing with her hair. But yeah, so I don't know if y'all can see the shoestring. Yeah, you just hide the shoestring. Yeah. All right, so that's the first way. Second way, let's take it out. You just, yeah. All right, so that's what I do when it's like I'm just gonna be chilling at home or whatever, or like I have to go to work. I have to go to work today, but yeah. So that's one way. Gotta take the knot out. Obviously, I have nails, so it kind of takes a little minute, but yeah. So shoestrings out. Like I said, it's purple because my hair is purple. The second way, you can use like moisturizer. This is oil moisturizer. I don't really like this kind, but I've been using it for a couple days now, maybe like a week, until like, you know, I decide to go buy a new one. I've been lazy, yeah, whatever. But basically, just this is like when your hair is like really dry. That's what you should use, like just some moisturizer, and like, you know, work it all throughout your hair. My hair is probably gonna rub off on my hands, but it's okay. And keep going until you like don't see white anymore. My hair was kind of dry anyway, so I kind of needed this. my nails cracked, so like it's hair in my nails. Oh well, it's alright. And then you're gonna do the same thing, you know, go right under your ears. Well, I mean above your ears, excuse me. And you shake till you get good size. Turn it to the back. Tie. Make sure your hair is not in there. Okay. You're gonna tie again. And then you're gonna tuck. But I'm not gonna tuck, obviously, because this is not the style I'm sticking with. You know? Make sure your shoestring is covered. Don't mind mine. This one I don't really like because it makes my hair look like really nappy. Oh, obviously, because I didn't brush my hair, but so after you do that, you're gonna brush it up. And then you do it. It's gonna look a little slick, but I still don't like that one because that moisturizer like doesn't really like do well in my hair. But oh well. I'm gonna go buy some more. Oh, now my hands are like slippery. But yeah. It's okay. 1 second. Dun, 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 dun. And I'm back. Okay, so obviously I do this a lot, so got shoestrings on deck. But yeah. Y'all, your girl been busy low-key. Let's see if I can get this one. Girl been busy working. I got 2 jobs now, you know, work at Bojangles. I work at Bojangles, and now McAllister's at the airport. So this, what I'm using, it's the little gel stuff. Got protein and aloe, so healthy hair. That's what we promote. It smells really good, like really good. This is what I'm gonna use. This is what I use like when I got somewhere important to go. So like for graduation, if y'all see me, I use this, you know, make sure your hair real slick. Do your front and back first. You wanna go around your head, you know. Okay, yeah, get on my forehead. Gonna go around your head. Make sure you get it everywhere. You know, hair might get a little curly from it. It'd be cute. Yeah. Hold on, I gotta wipe my hair. After that, you probably gonna wanna wipe your hands anyway, because like you'll have all that gel in your hands. Then we're gonna brush it. This is my favorite one, because you know, my hair be looking so slick, so fresh, so clean, you know. You know, you could try to swoop it with it, you know. Swoop a little bit. Obviously my swoop on this side look better, but you know, that's okay. And I also like think this is nice for like the ponytail thing, you know, the slick ponytail. But we're not doing that today. We're doing a poof. So you get it slicked up, you know. And forehead edge, ears. I think this shoestring is like shorter, so might not be like what I want it to be. Okay, so now just like that, you know. Go tie. And make sure your hair is not in it. Tie it again, just for extra extra support. Yank the little nap right there, you feel me? You're gonna stick your shoestring in and pull. Now this time I'm gonna do both shoestrings. Well, both sides of the shoestring. Because this is what I'm sticking with. And then you fluff, you know, fluff, fluff. Then, sure, final little thing. Oh my gosh. Then, try to brush it some more. Make sure it's in there. You know, I'm not gonna focus too much on like brushing and stuff because I have to go to work today. And if you know anything about Bojangles or McAllister's, we wear sun visors. So, I mean, you can do the poof and put a head wrap on. Most people, like, if you have time, y'all, my hands are purple. If you have time, you're gonna put a head wrap on and like slick it, and like this would be like really smooth. But I have to go to work today, like soon, like yeah. So this is what we're gonna stick with, and then I'm gonna put my sun visor on and call it a mother freaking day. Okay. But yeah, that's how I do my poof. No. Okay. So that's it for this video. It's 11 minutes already. About to be 12. So for today's video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends about me, share me, let me know what's up in the comments. I'm corny, but yeah. Peace out. Support the dream. Join the team. Make sure you click that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell.